Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sauerkraut at home. Making your own delicious sauerkraut is surprisingly simple, requiring just two main ingredients, fresh cabbage and salt. You will also need a large glass jar and a pounder to help with the process. Choosing good quality, firm cabbage and a non-iodized salt like sea salt sets the foundation for a successful fermentation. It is a rewarding project that yields a fantastic, healthy condiment. Now let's prepare the cabbage. First, remove any loose outer leaves and core the cabbage. Then, shred it finely, aiming for about 1/8 inch thick pieces. Next, place the shredded cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle in your salt. Begin massaging the cabbage vigorously for 10 to 15 minutes until it releases a significant amount of its own liquid. This brine is vital for fermentation. With your cabbage now briny, it's time to pack it. Firmly press the salted cabbage into a clean glass jar, ensuring all air pockets are removed. It is crucial that the cabbage remains fully submerged under its own liquid. Use a fermentation weight or a smaller jar filled with water to keep everything below the brine. Allow it to ferment at a cool room temperature for 3 to 4 weeks. After 3 to 4 weeks, your sauerkraut should be ready. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer the jar to cold storage, like your refrigerator. This significantly slows down the fermentation process and preserves its delicious flavor. Your homemade sauerkraut can last for several months when properly refrigerated. Enjoy this tangy, probiotic-rich condiment as a side dish or an addition to sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.